all medicines and the vaccines that we produce, that does go through the extensive protocols for the release testing to ensure that it's meeting the highest quality requirement prior to giving it to the patients. My team specifically, that we are very proud that we follow our standards and protocols to execute the release testing on these commercial vaccines, which we ensure with the compliant prior to releasing vaccines out of the door. My kids having the vaccines right now and giving it to them. I did grow up in a different country where there is not a lot of kids are receiving those vaccines, and there is a lot of kids do die just suffering through those diseases. So at personal level, I feel that vaccines are important, and especially the way we manufacture compliantly to supply to the patients, that's very critical to saving lives around the world. I would say that my team, as well as myself, including starting from the shop floor to management to leadership level, we all committed to overarching goal for producing the highest quality vaccines and medicines for the patients, millions of patients around the world who need them. At Merck, quality is everyone's responsibility. That means strictly following our standards and procedures in order to manufacture high quality vaccines and medicines every time.